हाय बच्चों, अभी हम डिस्कस करने वाला है तो यूनिट्स एंड मेजरमेंट्स में टॉपिक 1 में क्वेश्चंस क्या है। सो यूनिट्स है, दिस इज एनसीईआरटी टॉपिक्स 2.1 एंड 2.2 ऑफ एनसीईआरटी टेक्स्ट बुक। ठीक है, इससे कवर होने वाला है। तो इसमें दो क्वेश्चन मैं लिया हूँ, ये 2011 मेंस का है, ये 2019 का है। ठीक है, ये 2019, ये 2011 मेंस का है। ठीक है, सो दैट ये पहले इसलिए ले लिया है, ये क्वेश्चन हम लोग यूनिट के लिए फिजिकल क्वांटिटी, एनी फिजिकल क्वांटिटी कैन बी मेजर्ड बोल के मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था। सो N1 U1 इज इक्वल टू N2 U2। दिस फॉर्मूला इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर द यूज ऑफ सॉल्विंग दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम। ओके, so the density of material in CGS system of units is 4 gram per centimeter cube. Okay, this is the value given to us. So left side N1 is 4, unit is gram per centimeter cube. Okay, this is equal to, okay, ये पूछा था हमें, in a system of units in which unit of length is 10 centimeter and unit of mass is 100 grams. So N2, so gram is there, so 100 grams is the unit and centimeter is 10 centimeter is the unit. That is the thing here. The value of density of material will be, so N2 we have to find now. N2 we have to find now. So N2 is equal to, so ये 10 cube है, so gram will cancel, centimeter cube will cancel, so we will get 4 into 10 cube by 100, that is nothing but 40 units. 40 is the value. Okay, in the new system of units, the physical quantity you can write 40 is the answer. Okay, so units you should not write anyhow. So 0.4, 40, 400, 0.04. So 40 is the answer. Okay, so this is a simple thing. Same type of question is given in NCERT textbook. One question is there, 4.2, 1 kilocalorie is equal to 4.2 joules, something like that. So in 4.2 joules is equal to some alpha, beta, gamma values are given. So in that also you need to find N2. So you check the problem in NCERT textbook. So such type of questions may be given, or else conversion of one unit to, suppose, Newton into time, or joule into eggs, like that they may ask some questions. So this is the way of framing the questions. Okay, framing the question. Suppose here also, instead of a density, some other value may be given. Suppose kg meter per second is the impulse or change in momentum, or momentum value is in 4 kg meter per second. So in a system of units in which unit of mass is something 10 grams or 10 kg, something like that, they can give also, and you need to find the system of units in new system of units. Such a type of questions you can frame. Okay, any physical quantity, some other units, so simple method, simply substitute the values, that's it. Okay, so इसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा सोचने का जरूरत नहीं, they can frame so many questions. One is conversion of units directly, Newton into dynes and joule into eggs, like that. So SI system into CGS system, or MGS system into CGS system, whatever it might be. Okay, so that type of question may be asked. Okay, next question is, the unit of thermal conductivity is joule meter Kelvin -1, joule meter -1 Kelvin -1, watt meter Kelvin -1, watt meter -1 Kelvin -1. So in page 287, directly the SI unit of K is joule second -1, meter -1, Kelvin -1, or watt meter -1, Kelvin -1. So this is directly given. Instead of this also, this can be given in the options. So that is changing the problem. This one also can be given here. Okay, so one new question frame. Okay, so directly whatever may be the values of constants. This is thermal conductivity, gravitational constant, permittivity of free space, then universal gas constant, Stephen Boltzmann constant, like that some constants which are having the dimensions, okay, units, such quantities they may be asked for finding the unit. So sometimes you may be remembering the values also, so try to remember the units also, okay. So anything can be asked for unit. So generally constants I am saying. So constants can be asked. So here some 10 questions can be framed. Okay. Here directly answer is there. This question can be asked replacing with this value also. That is also one possibility. Okay. How to find the value? Suppose if you didn't remember this, how to find the value? This is the equation. H is rate of heat flow. Rate means directly heat is a form of energy per unit time. Energy by time is the value of H here. K is thermal conductivity, area is area of the conductor. Tc minus Td, temperature difference always in same units only. Kelvin, this is length. So area by length is length only. Here itself directly I can write length, temperature. Length into temperature, and here H by T means energy per unit time is nothing but power. So this power is watt, here is Kelvin meter length. So unit of K is how to write? K is equal to H is power, this H is power, length by area, 1 by temperature difference is in Kelvin. Temperature difference, okay. So power is in watts, watt, length by area, so meter by meter square, so meter minus 1. Temperature difference is in Kelvin, so Kelvin minus 1. So this is the unit. Watt meter minus 1, Kelvin minus 1. This is the answer. Okay. Simple questions only. Such type of questions they are asking in the exam. So thoroughly prepare NCERT textbook. So NCERT concept notes extract करके जो जरूरत नहीं है उसको निकाल के आपको नोट्स दे दूंगा मैं. उसको पढ़ के भी एनसीईआरटी टेस्ट पढ़ा जैसा ही है, पढ़ने वाला जैसा ही. जो एडिशनल चीज़ें चाहिए एनसीईआरटी टेस्ट के एक्स्ट्रा जो चाहिए वो भी मैं दे दूंगा आप लोगों को लिए, ठीक है. सो yesterday what we discussed in the previous video, what we discussed, unit we discussed, internationally accepted reference standard unities, and quantities will be fundamental quantities and derived quantities. Fundamental quantities are independent quantities, derived quantities dependent on fundamental quantities, okay. And fundamental quantities, units for fundamental quantities is fundamental units. Derived units are the derived units from basic quantities are fundamental quantities only, okay. So system of units means fundamental units and derived units. That's it. That's what we discussed. And then SI system. SI system fundamental quantities, 7 fundamental quantities are there. Supplementary quantities are 2 there, okay. And all the other quantities can be derived from these fundamental quantities only, okay. That's what we discussed in the previous video. Now 2 problems we discussed, and how to frame the new problems from these 2 questions also I explained, and I will give you the assignment. Some 5 to 6 problems will be there. So those problems also you can think a little bit extra and frame some more new questions, okay. Thank you very much, okay. सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, लाइक कीजिएगा, कमेंट कीजिएगा. अगर कोई कुछ क्वेरी है तो कमेंट कीजिएगा. कमेंट का आंसर मैं वीडियो में दे दूंगा या वही दे दूंगा, ठीक है. हाँ, अगले वीडियो में भी दे सकते हैं, मतलब स्पेशल वीडियो बना के क्वेश्चंस के जो भी बच्चे पूछेंगे उसके लिए बना दूंगा मैं, ठीक है. थैंक यू वेरी मच. विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फ्यूचर डॉक्टर्स. बाय. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.